Hey, Gary here with 30 Minute Marketing. We're going to be taking a look at building a landing page for affiliate marketing step by step. But first, we need to set some goals for our landing page. So, those goals are first going to be to convert traffic to leads and sales. Then, we're going to make sure that we put our leads on our email list so we can follow up with them, redirects to a money site so we can earn commissions. We're going to be taking a look at Warrior Plus as the marketplace where we're going to find an affiliate offer. The affiliate offer we're going to be looking at is I Am Checklist Gold membership. You can see here we have our affiliate link. And this is the sales page. Get unprecedented access to my internal systems and processes that are responsible for a handful of seven-figure businesses, all laid out in simple and easy to follow checklists to ensure they are implemented as they were intended to. We want to make sure we look at the sales page so we can get an idea of what we need to put on our landing page. Because we have set our landing page goals first to convert traffic to leads and sales, and to convert the traffic to leads and sales on our landing page, we have to have a compelling reason for people to be or to want to be put on our email list. And that's going to cover putting leads on our email list for follow up and therefore redirecting them to the money site to earn those commissions. So here's what this is going to look like when we get it all put together. Our audience, your audience is on the internet. We're going to get them on our landing page or our squeeze page. They are going to opt in. They're going to go onto our email list. After that, they're going to be redirected over to the sales page, that I Am Checklist page, or the money site where they're going to make a purchase and we're going to earn an affiliate commission. Then after we have them on our email list, we're going to be able to follow up by sending them to more content on our website, on our blog, on our YouTube channel, over on Facebook, Facebook page, Facebook group, our profile, and then send them over to more sales pages, again, to earn more commissions when they make a purchase through our affiliate link. So again, we have the sales page for I Am Checklist, all laid out in simple and easy to follow checklists to ensure they're implemented as they were intended. We're going to be sending people to buy checklists. So what better landing page or squeeze page could we use than to give away a set of checklists for lead generation? And this is actually a separate affiliate offer that we are allowed to give away for free called Free 18 Powerful Lead Sources. And that option to give away the 18 free lead source checklists come inside of what is called free affiliate funnels. And this is just one of 9 affiliate funnels that you can get access to give away, or will allow you to complete or to set up a compelling squeeze page to give away these offers to go to sales pages so you can earn affiliate commissions. There's a link in the description to head over to free affiliate offers to get that product so you can have something to set your goals or to help you set your landing page goals, to convert traffic to leads and sales, to make sure you're putting leads on your email list so you can follow up with them, and also have something to redirect to that is a money site so you can earn those commissions. Now let's look at where we're going to build our landing page. We're going to be using Groove, and inside of Groove, there's a link in the description as well to get your free account. You're going to get all of these tools, but we're going to be focused in on Groove pages. And inside of Groove pages, specifically the free account, there are some limitations. You only get 3 free sites, but that's plenty for us to get started to create a new site. We'll be using one of the pre-made templates here just to get started. We're going to select this one right here, and we're just going to call this site landing page, and we're going to start building. That's going to open up the page builder, and it's going to allow us to build our landing page. Understand as well, inside the free Groove funnels account or the free Groove CM account that gives you Groove funnels and Groove pages, you'll need to set up a domain, or you'll need to connect a domain, meaning you'll need to buy your own domain to publish the page, because publishing websites using free Groove pages subdomain is only available to premium users. So you can upgrade to premium, or you can buy your own domain. And if you want to manage those domains, you simply click on custom domains, select manage. Here you can actually see where I'm setting up Gary Baker Online for Groove pages. You can also connect these domains to the other tools inside of Groove, but that's outside of the scope of this video. So we're going to be focused on Groove pages and the fact that I have securely connected GaryBakerOnline.com in this example. And then we'll just go back and we'll just go ahead and cancel out of that and continue on with setting up our landing page. Now remember, what we're doing here is we are setting up a landing page for our audience from the internet, and our first goal is to make sure that we get those people on an email list, to make sure they opt in so we can follow up with them to more content with affiliate links, of course, to get them to more sales pages to make more money. But we also want this landing page to redirect over to our sales page But first things first, let's get those opt-ins of our audience over to our email list. And to build our email list, we're going to be using a tool called GetResponse, which is an autoresponder. Of course, this is my free account. You can see that from the yellow upgrade button here. And due to the fact that it is a free account, we have limitations just like over in Groove. Typically, I would integrate and use the API, which the API is the best way to do this, and it is how I do it, and it's the configuration that I recommend. But because we'd have to upgrade to continue, and there is a link in the description to grab a free account so you can follow along, and so you can get started with landing pages and affiliate marketing, go ahead and go back to the main dashboard. And inside of the main dashboard, what you want to do is click to create a form. And inside of the form creator, you have some options here. We're going to go ahead and use the list building wizard, and we're just simply going to scroll down. And we're just simply going to go with this plain white template here to get started. And we're going to select that template. It's going to load that form creator up. Please wait, Monster's loading your template. And once that's loaded up, we're simply just going to go in and we're going to edit this form, and we're going to keep it as simple as possible. Just a nice white box here with email address and name as the only fields that we need. And of course, you can make this so it can subscribe today, or you could change that text to whatever you want. But the thing we want to focus here on is settings. Because if you remember over in our landing page goals, our last goal was to redirect to the money site to AKA earn us commissions. Of course, the way that's going to happen is your audience on the internet is going to land on your landing page or squeeze page. They're going to be compelled by your headline to enter their information to opt into your email list. And after they opt in, the landing page and the squeeze page, working with your autoresponder, are going to redirect them to the sales page. Those configuration settings are here in the form setting. Choose a thank you page, set that to custom. Also subscribe. Typically you want to set this to custom as well in case somebody re-opts in again to get that additional chance to get them over to the sales page, as in this case was for imchecklist.org. Again, we're giving away those checklists on our squeeze page, but we are redirecting them over to this sales page to have the opportunity to earn an affiliate commission. So you would copy that URL of the sales page, and this would be your affiliate link that you would save here inside of form settings. And then you would simply just publish your form. And then what you want to do is you want to install this yourself with this JavaScript code. You're going to copy that into your buffer. You're going to take that back over to Groove Pages where we're going to start the edit. Of course, the first thing we want to do is get rid of this container and give ourselves some more space. We don't need a logo. We don't need an additional button. And we're going to be changing this headline as well as this picture. But first things first, let's go ahead and add our opt-in form. And to do that, we'll go to Elements. We'll grab a container. We'll bring that container in here and we will drop it right there above the current email subscribe form container. And then we just want to delete that container as well as that subscribe button, because we're going to be creating our own form, or we're going to be using what is called a code element, where we can add the code that we got from the get response. And that is under other code embed. So we're going to drag the code embed element over. And then once that is there, we'll click on that. Then there will be a cogwheel here. We'll simply click on that cogwheel, paste in our code, save that. That code will be embedded right there. The next thing we want to do is go back over to our IM checklist and remember why we're giving this away, because it's simple and easy to follow checklists to ensure they are implemented as they are intended. So we want to say simple and easy checklist. So we'll go ahead and we'll copy that, take that back over to Groove Funnels. And all we want to do is we want to replace this headline. Of course, if you're not giving away this offer, you want to make sure your offer is congruent from your landing page to your squeeze page, as well as you would want something here in this image that makes sense. So we'll go ahead and select configure, choose an image. And of course you can upload an image or you can choose from the free stock photos. We'll go ahead and search for checklist. Here's a cool checklist right here. We'll go ahead and select that. It'll upload that checklist. We'll select it and then we'll just update that image. And now we have an image of a checklist. We'll go ahead and save that. And now we will publish. And again, here is where it comes to the domain that we set up previously. Groove Pages domains are only allowed if you upgrade to premium. So we'll have to set our custom domain and we'll select Gary Baker Online and we will publish that to the root of the domain and we will publish that website or the site that we're working on. Because this website only has one page, Then what that'll do is that'll publish that page. Then once that site has published, as you can see here, site published in progress, changes usually go live within a few minutes, but may take longer. We'll simply click here to open that in a new tab. And then we have our landing page or our squeeze page, simple and easy to follow checklist. Of course, that would allow us to give away this checklist. The only thing to do on this page is to enter your email address and your name, and then click on the button that says subscribe today, or more appropriately change that to get your free checklist. They click the button subscribe today. It does the redirect and sends them over to the sales page. So there you can see exactly what we did. Your audience is on the internet. They came over to your landing page here on your squeeze page. They want the free checklist, so they opted in, and then they were redirected to the sales page, and you get your first chance to make an affiliate commission. Now, your second chance here is your email list, where you're going to be sending them over to more content with affiliate links to get them back to more sales pages and the chance to earn more affiliate commissions. Of course, we left off here on the landing page with the redirect to the sales page, but now let's check and make sure that we landed on the email list. And to do that, we go back to get response, and here we are going to go under contacts. And here we have our default list that is created inside of our free account. We'll select that list, and you can see here that that contact was added and they subscribed to our email list. So again, here you can see it all worked. Our audience on the internet went to our landing page or our squeeze page. They were compelled to opt in for that free checklist. Then they were redirected to the sales page, gave us our first opportunity to actually get a sale. But we also put that lead on our email list so we can follow up with them, which gives us the opportunity to send them to more content with more affiliate links, which gets them over to more sales pages and gives us more opportunity to earn an affiliate commission. So as you can see, it was important to set those goals because the first goal was to convert traffic to leads and sales. And we did that by giving away a free set of checklists to convert that traffic to a lead and also get our first opportunity for affiliate commission or our first sale. And we also had the goal of putting that lead on our email list for follow-up. And you can see that we were able to get that lead, get that person that was interested in checklist over to our free get response email list that we set up. And thirdly, we redirected them to that money site to get us the chance to earn that first commission. And that's really all there is to it when you're using simple marketing tools such as Groove, link in a description, and Get Response, also a link in the description, and you have some goals set for your landing pages. To give away something like checklist, of course, you can get that as well. There's a link in the description to free affiliate funnels if you need something to give away on your landing pages, so check that out as well. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And to see more tips and tricks on how to use simple marketing tools like you just saw in this video, click on the video you see on the screen right now. I look forward to seeing you in that video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.